Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your Ritual Labs subscription. So basically, you know very well Ritual Labs have some popular product like Happy Liver and all. Okay, so if you have purchased any product and by mistake if you have taken any subscription, how you can cancel it? So there is a very, you can like easy way, or for some people this is a very hard way to cancel your subscription, because Ritual Labs have some websites like rituallabs.shop and labrituals.co, and you need to identify where you have originally purchased the product. You need to identify your official website, okay? Because on internet there are so many websites available, like we can say there are some fake websites also. So that's why I'm telling you the subscription cancellation is little bit hard. I really don't know these two websites are really related to same website or not, but I can definitely say you can cancel your subscription only where you have originally purchased, okay? And if we talk about how to cancel, you need to visit on the official website, and once you are on the official website you need to tap on your profile icon. At the very top right corner there is a profile icon. You need to tap on this button, and once you tap on the button you need to provide your email ID and you need to log in into your account. Once you logged in, you can cancel your subscription, okay? And if this method will not work, you can do one thing. This is the last option to cancel your subscription. You need to cancel your credit card, okay? And once you cancel your credit card, you need to contact your credit card provider, and once you cancel your credit card, your all unwanted, your all fake subscription will expire, and when you get new credit card you are free from all unwanted subscriptions, okay? This is the last option. In today's time these kind of websites are making these kind of scams, so that's why I'm telling you you should cancel your credit card. This is the last and the best and the easy option to cancel your subscription, okay? So now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. And if you are also facing same kind of issues, then you can also provide your experience in our comment section, okay? So bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.